Hello, my name's Ray Dawkins and I'm a horse ploughman and I live at Shokeshurst near Ashford, Kent, and I've been coming to the East Kent Ploughing Match for about 6 years now.
What does the ploughing match actually involve?
It's a system of points. Basically you have to do a set pattern, a start and a finish, and fill in a certain piece of ground, and it's a set amount of points for each part.
And it's you're competing with these horses, aren't you?
Competing with other horse ploughmen, teams of horses. You should officially only have one ploughman and one pair of horses.
What makes a good ploughing horse?
Nice and calm, goes steady, listens, knows the job.
Thank you very much.
About the steam ploughing engines that we have at the ploughing match today.
So what would this have been used for? Would this have been used for ploughing in the past?
This is an engine, it's one of a pair. They were built in 1876 and 1877, so we're talking Victorian era, and they were specifically built as a pair of engines to plough and work the land with implements that were towed between the two of them by cables.
And how much would this have been used? Was it used a lot, or because it's in a good state of repair, isn't it?
These engines worked until the turn of the century. Then they had some new boilers, and then they went back to work, but were laid up in the 1930s and spent the best part of 50 years in a bed of nettles with trees growing through them, and then they were rescued by the present owners and restored, and now they're used regularly throughout the summer and at the autumn ploughing matches and other shows.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.